Mr. Niaz Ahmed, you are former additional district magistrate and currently you are secretary of Muslim Anjuman Talim Darbhanga. You are heading a movement for the restoration of minority character of Darbhanga Millat College. Why do you think this is necessary for you and the community to restore the minority character of this institution?
Well, restoration of minority character of an institution is the issue before our Anjuman, which established this institution in the year 1957. It is necessary because a minority institution gives an opportunity and environment to the minority boys and girls where they can grow and acquire modern education in their own environment. Anybody or any creature develops its intellect in its own natural environment, and our constitution makers felt it, and that is why they made provision for it. And we want that we should restore our minority character to the institution, because we feel that there is no other institution for Muslim boys and girls here where they can acquire modern education in their own cultural and religious environment.
This Millat College was established in 1957. But after for some financial reasons, it was handed over to the government in 1936. But after 25 years, almost 25 years, you are again reviving the movement for restoration of minority. How do you think this movement or the restoration of minority character will benefit the local community? If the administration of this college comes into your hand, I mean in the hands of Anjuman Majlis Talim, then how will it benefit the community?
Well, there are so many general colleges where people can go, but this Millat College was established for specific purposes and under specific aims and objects, and we feel that in course of time, after its conversion into constituent college by the government on the pressure of the teachers of that time, everywhere, in the whole of the state, actually resulted into the deterioration in the college. And you know that there is no progress at all. Though the college was converted into a constituent wing of the university under the pretext that it will develop. Improvement was the main condition of agreement. But you know that whatever building we handed over, it is in the same condition, even Al-Plastered building, shortage of faculty members and so on, and complete erosion of that cultural environment. So the community, we represent the community, the Muslim mass of the area, and they feel that such environment must be restored, and there is no way except that it is handed over to the committee.
Mr. Niaz Ahmed, you know that this Darbhanga is among 90 MCDs in the country. MCDs means minority concentration districts. Darbhanga is one of 7 districts in Bihar. But you know that 11 crore rupees have been sanctioned by the central government under the MSDP, multi-sectoral development project. But all these rupees have been spent or being spent on Indira Awas Yojana or Anganwadi centers. So look, take this into consideration, and how do you assess the present educational condition of Muslims here in Darbhanga in the context of your movement for restoration of minority character?
Well, so far MCD program is concerned, when we heard this news that Darbhanga has been selected, it was actually this brought pleasure for us. But the result is that we do not know which institution has been getting aid under that program. One occasion, the very first initial stage when came to know about this program, we submitted 3 projects to the government of Bihar.
Right.
Projects for Sohragan School, where I am a secretary, another for Islamia College, and one for Muslim school, Shafi Muslim High School. But to our, it is really amazing to note that the program of area intensive program and madrasa modernization program, which was to be implemented, has now been changed into another program. Our project remained in the file of the government. No other institution got, except one. We have heard about one Christian institution in Betia. No grant was given to any institution. This is the condition. So we are not very much hopeful about it, but we have confidence in us also that we can develop it.
Briefly, how do you assess the present educational condition of Muslims in Darbhanga district?
There is a trend of growing literacy in the Muslim community, no doubt. And every section of the society feels that their education must go to their houses through their boys and girls, and they are interested. Now the question is, the standards of the educational institutions are not up to the mark. That is the whole problem. Number of institutions are there, and people want to that their children should be educated, because there is the only way. Now people have started understanding that poverty alleviation is related to mass literacy, and Muslims are very much conscious of it. Here also, they want it continue.
Thank you very much.